In this segment, we're going to be talking about applying pepperoni to a pizza. In the last segment, we talked about cheese and how to put the cheese on the pizza. The next part is to put the topping. In this case, we're going to use pepperoni. There's a couple secrets to applying pepperoni. Number one, when you get a handful of pepperoni, you want to place them in your hand like a deck of cards. You want to fan them out slightly. Then what you do is you place them as close or as far away as you want, depending on how much pepperoni you like, starting at the outside ring again and working your way in. In no time, you'll be making pepperoni pizzas as fast as you can. Again, we're going to make a stack and fan it out. That lets you lay them down in a nice, quick fashion. And the good thing about doing it yourself is you can put as little or as much pepperoni as you like. I usually like to get it around 6 to 8 slices of pepperoni per slice of pizza, which we're going to cut in 8 slices.